Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to log out WhatsApp web from your Android or iOS devices. But if you are an iOS user, don't worry about it because the same setting is also available on iOS platforms. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your WhatsApp Messenger application. So now in this homepage section, you can press that vertical three dots icon and then one drop down window is opening. So here you can select WhatsApp web. So at same time, if you are a iOS user, in homepage section in bottom it shows some options. So here you can go to settings and then this WhatsApp web is visible in the settings section. So anyway, once you open this WhatsApp web, it shows me all active sessions. So if you want to log out this session in one by one, just select that particular session and then select logout. So otherwise, if you want to log out your all currently active sessions, just select logout from all devices and then click to confirm. So finally my all active sessions are successfully logged out. So this is the way you can easily log out your WhatsApp web all active sessions by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.